At CES 2024, Samsung has announced a couple of new projectors, which include their latest 4K projectors as well as their 8K model. Now, the 8K we are looking at is the Premier 8K. The Premier 8K was actually showcased last year at the CES event 2023, but they never released it. It was never an official product. They only just showcased it and teased it. Now it's official. It's a product that will be sold in the first quarter of this year. It's expensive. Price tag hasn't been released, but it's going to be expensive. So now this Premier 8K will incorporate several core features, which include 8K resolution image through pixel shifting using a native 4K resolution DLP chip to achieve 8K resolution. Now, the pixels on the 4K chip that have to be shifted four times at 240 Hz to be able to achieve this. And the other thing again is that the Premier 8K projects an image up to 150 inches from 12 inches away from the wall. So this thing is almost a very short throw projector in every sense of the regard. This thing is just a beast compared to roughly 5 meters needed for a standard throw projector. So this thing is really good. It does have wireless connectivity as well. There is a new wireless One Connect box solution that transmits connected source content to the projector within 10 meters of viewing area. It can be placed virtually anywhere. It can blend into your room without any issue. The home theater system it's coming with is a 8.2.2 channel audio system that has Dolby Atmos support as well as sound on screen technology. The thing is a beast. It has AI upscaling. The Premier 8K delivers immersive picture quality in high resolution with an AI upscaling engine that can transform 4K content to 8K. There is also the fact that it has 4,000 lumens of brightness, auto brightness, and triple laser light. You can experience crisp color immersion even in daylight. It's incredible. It has an easy setup. It has even an auto keystone, autofocus, scale screen, side level height adjustment, as well as smart features that are all built into it. This thing is a beast. Then this is not the only product that's been released as well from Samsung. They have the Premier 5, which is a 4K projector. It has the ability to throw out images of 100 inches, 17 inches away from the wall. It has multiple key features as well. It has a screen mirroring function. You have the fact that it's very portable. The Premier 5 can mirror both input and output functions of a wirelessly connected smartphone. So this thing is a beast. Then the other two new products they released as well is the Premier 7 and the Premier 9. That both are 4K projectors as well. Samsung introduced these two models to replace their previous LSP 70 and LSP 90. So the new Premier 7 and Premier 9 will replace these models as well. So you get a very good range of projectors to choose from. Now the entire entry of these 4 new projectors will be very bright, and they will also feature Quantum 4K processors, as well as the fact that they will support Dolby Atmos sound for a more home theater-like viewing experience. Prices will be revealed very soon. I will go over prices when they have all come out. Additional features will include a light warp, gaming hub, smart speaker. You will be able to, at least all these Premier line of projectors can be used as a smart speaker in your living room and even when the screen projection is off. So this thing is a beast in every respect that you can imagine. There is the gaming hub. Just as Samsung smart TVs, gaming hub will be included to give you at least provide you the access to thousands of game titles, and no game console is required when you have this feature. So that's all you need to know about the latest Premier series projectors from Samsung. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.